Welcome, shipmates. Today is Thursday, September 19th. I'm Kariana Good.
And I'm Mason Greenhouse. Step Up After School program begins on Monday, September 23rd. This is the perfect opportunity to get academic support on your core subjects, along with enrichment hour of a fun activity. The best part, a meal and transportation are included. Please see Mr. Lewis, our Dean of Students, for a registration packet. It is time to apply for a parking permit. Seniors and juniors can apply now. Completed forms can be returned to Mrs. Conti in the front office. On all lunch shifts. Cost is $15 with a copy of license and registration. All vehicles in the lot must have a permit by Monday, September 23rd.
Evening high school registration ends today, with classes beginning on Monday, September 23rd. See the main office for a flyer and additional information. Attention freshmen, want to be a leader here at JMB? The SGA is seeking freshman class officers now. Apply for a position at clipper.wcboe.org/SGA. Sign-up closes on Monday at 3 p.m. Check your school email for more details.
The first meeting for the National Honor Society members will be today during second period in the Clipper Galley. The SGA General Assembly will be held today at 5th period in the Media Center. All class officers and committee members should attend.
In sports, congratulations to the girls varsity volleyball team on their 3-0 win against Stephen Decatur. Although we started a little off, the team buckled up and began to play their game. Morgan Esham and Paige Jansen dominated the offense with 16 kills. Hannah Mills and Leah Osmond both contributed with 20 service points. Lauren Illa and Emily Wright defended our court with their digs. Good job, ladies. With temperatures dropping and the wind swirling, the Clipper girls convincingly dealt with Stephen Decatur last evening in Berlin. Callie Mack and Liv Owens with 2 goals apiece paced the 4-0 victory. Shannon and Bean physically imposed themselves on proceeding, dominating the midfield. Amelia Hall led a stellar defensive unit that decisively repelled any insurgents into Clipper territory.
Baseball will hold an interest meeting today at 2:55 in the cafeteria. JMB students, the school store will be open Tuesdays and Thursdays before school and during all 3 lunch shifts from Monday through Friday. JMB apparel is in, and we'll be getting more sizes as the year goes on. All pink awareness shirts are $7, limited sizes and styles, so get yours now. Go Clippers! Show your spirit today. Gas and check only, please. And that's all we have for you today, JMB. Have a great day, JMB.